Good morning, students. Today we will study the next chapter of your EVS book, The Valley of Flowers. This is chapter 11, and in this chapter we will study about the various types of flowers which are found in the Valley of Flowers, and also about the structure of flowers, various art related with the flowers, and some uses of flowers also. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. Students, we call Uttarakhand also to Uttaranchal. This is a new name given to this state, and you can see the location of the Uttarakhand. It's in the northern India. This is a very beautiful place, and there is a national park also. As you can see this, Welcome in the Valley of Flowers National Park, and the scenery here is very much beautiful. I can't describe in words. In some places one see red flowers blooming on bushes. How beautiful red flowers are these. These are white flowers peeping out between the stones. There are wide areas carpeted with the yellow flowers, and here are small blue flowers which are just like a tiny stars. Now you must be feeling very crazy to go to such a beautiful place. So let me tell you when to visit the Valley of Flowers. The Valley of Flowers is the only open from the beginning of June until the beginning of October, as it is covered in snow the rest of the year. The best time to visit is from mid-July to mid-August, when the flowers are in full bloom after the first monsoon rain. This is page number 85. Are there any things in your house which have designs of flowers made on them, like clothes, sheets or vases, etc.? Here is a flower design in the box given below. See, this is a beautiful design of flowers. The design in the picture is called Madhubani. It is a very old form of folk art. Folk art means the local art which is popular in that area only. So do you know why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Students, this is the map of India, and here I have shown Bihar with red color. Madhubani is a district in Bihar. This purple color which I have shown, this shows the district Madhubani in Bihar. So this is Bihar, and this is the enlarged area of that Bihar map, and I have shown Madhubani. In Madhubani, during festivals, people, they are painting their walls and their courtyard with such beautiful pictures. These paintings are made out of the paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. You see, this is a beautiful paintings. The color are used in Madhubani paintings are very special too. To make them, they use indigo for blue and turmeric for yellow, and all these colors, they are made from the flowers. Students, you have been asked to make your own design, and you have made by your friend also, so you can show like this. I have made these flowers and these paintings. Let us come to page number 86. The word of flowers. Here are some picture of flowers. Mark, tick on the flowers which you recognize. Write their name too if you know. So I have written some name. This is hibiscus. इसको हम बेटा China rose भी बोलते हैं. You must have seen, this is very common flower. This is very common rose, and this is also a very popular flower, sunflower. This is marigold, and below marigold is tulsi. All of you must be having seen this plant in your home or near your home. This is jasmine, and we also call it mogra. This is called champa, and this is mogra. This is jasmine. I told you about this also. This looks like a white rose. Now here are some questions for you. From the picture given above, ये जितने भी बेटे आपने फ्लावर्स देखे हैं एंड जो भी आपने आसपास एरिया में भी देखते हो, so you have to name 2 of each category of these flowers. So first category is flowers that grow on trees. Flowers that grow on trees, they are example is gulmohar and kadamba. Student, these are red flowers of gulmohar, red and orange color होता है इनका, and this is kadamba. This is ऑफ वाइट या बिल्कुल लाइट येलो होते हैं एंड द शेप इज लाइक पॉम पॉम शेप होती है. कदम्बा का आप फूल देख रहे हो. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी है फ्लावर्स दैट ग्रो ऑन बुशेस. सो इसमें है फर्स्ट नंबर पे मैंने रोज एंड द सेकेंड इज मैरी गोल्ड. एंड द अनदर है फ्लावर्स दैट ग्रो ऑन क्रीपर्स. क्रीपर्स मीन वेरी वीक स्टेम वाले जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं बेटे, दे कैन स्टैंड इरेक्ट. They move on with the ground or with other healthy and strong stems के इर्द गिर्द भी रहते हैं ये. So its example is morning glory and अपराजिता. This is morning glory and this is called अपराजिता. Next category है flowers that grow on water plants. On water, very common lotus. You must have seen and you know all this meaning. And the other is water lily. Next category है flowers that bloom only at night. So they are jasmine and rajnigandha. Next category flowers that bloom in the day and close at night. So one is bloom in the day है sunflower. Student, this is jasmine. This is rajnigandha. This is sunflower and this is रात की रानी भी हम इसको बोलते हैं बेटा, नाइट क्वीन बोलते हैं. दिस इज द नाइट क्वीन फ्लावर. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी, विच फ्लावर्स कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज बाय देयर सेंट इवन with your eyes closed? So rose and mogra we can recognize with their scent. Which flower bloom all the year around? So they are also rose and jasmine. Which flower bloom only in certain months? That is marigold and tulip. Students, find out the name of any 2 flowers which are used to make medicines, and also write the name of 2 flowers which are used to make scent, and also tell me the name of your favorite flowers. So this was all about this video of part of this lesson. We'll study the next part of this lesson in the next video. Thank you. Stay safe beta and do all the assignments regularly which we are giving you.